guys, welcome to a little bit of everything. I am Melissa Athalia, and today I will be making a bacon cream cheese quesadilla. So stay tuned. What you're going to need is 1 can of black beans, Fiesta blend cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, cream cheese, room temperature bacon, and wheat flour tortillas. Also, you may want to add cilantro if you like, and jalapeños, and that's up to your choice. So first things first, I've already done the bacon, and basically I just put it in a pan. I didn't put any oils because the bacon actually delivers fat. So out of the fat, it's cooking on its own. And then I took it out, put it on a napkin, and cleaned up the excessive fat or oils that are in here. Once I've got the bacon done, I'm gonna let it just sit there. I mean, it's obviously crispy. So the next step is to actually put cream cheese on the quesadilla, just like a spread. And then you're only going to do this on the bottom portion of the quesadilla, and this will hold everything together. So the next step is to put 3 tablespoons of black beans onto the tortilla. You spread it around, that way you get beans on every bite. So now I've actually cut them into pieces of bacon, and I'm going to grab some and actually put some in on top of the beans. You don't have to put a lot of bacon either. It's up to you, and if you don't want to have any bacon on your quesadilla, you can just put the beans and the cheese and you'll have a veggie quesadilla. If you want, you can even put like sauteed onions and bell peppers, whatever you please on putting in there. But right now, this recipe only requires for you to put beans, bacon, and cheese and cilantro. If you want cilantro. And I like to add a little bit of kick to it. You can add hot sauce, but I like to put jalapeños on it. And they don't have to be in a certain order. You don't have to put like the beans first and then the bacon. So the next thing that I'll be putting on would be the Fiesta blend cheese. And I'll be putting like just a handful. Spread it around. And then Monterey Jack cheese. You can put as much as you want. I don't like to put too much, just because obviously I know it's not that healthy, but I want to be a little bit more conscious about what I'm putting in my quesadilla. And then I am going to top it off with cilantro. Once you've put all the ingredients, you can go ahead and put the other tortilla on top. And then on your pan, put a tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil. Once you feel that the oil is hot enough and it's runny, you can go ahead and put the quesadilla there so it can crisp up better. As you can hear, it's actually sizzling, and that means that it's actually kind of frying the layer, the tortilla on one side. So once it's a little bit golden brown and ready, you can flip it and then crisp up this other side, and your quesadilla will be ready to go. So you're gonna have to actually check to see if it's browning on that side. If it's not, just leave it in there till it's golden brown, because you don't want to flip it right before the time that it's required. But just keep on checking it, and when you think it's ready, you can go ahead and flip it so you can actually brown up the other side. It is now time to actually flip the quesadilla. And you see how it's golden brown? You can go ahead and do the same thing for this other side. Okay, the quesadilla is ready to be served. Alright, so the quesadilla is done. I've cut it into pieces like a little pizza so you can eat. It's perfect for, look at the gooiness. It's amazing. All that cheese, so delicious. And you can eat it with sour cream or anything that you would like to top it off with. And there you have it, the bacon cream cheese quesadilla with sour cream on top to top it off. So as you can see, I have finished the quesadilla. It is so gooey and it looks delicious. I hope you really enjoy this quesadilla. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave comments below if you enjoy it, and if you're actually wanting me to try different recipes, I'm willing to try them. So please comment below. See you next time. Bye!